background of the company, I started this company 5 years back here in Canada, but from back, my father was doing in same business from last 30 years. So I had a back home experience where he used to taught me a lot of things in print and sign industry. OnPrintShop is very now after using for almost 6-8 months, I think it's definitely a value adding product. I'm saying that because I was using a similar platform before, which I made it in-house, but when I look into the OnPrintShop and web to print platform, it definitely changed whole outlook within the company and outside too. I have seen the results happening in my platform. I have seen the change in the numbers. I have seen the default rate has been reduced because of the platform. The payments has been coming very quicker comparative to the platform I was using before. I have to follow up with the payments for my pay on account clients. Now it's very quick. Now they have all the details. They just log in and get everything in like in 1 second, all the orders, on which date they place an order, when it was done, when it was delivered. It's super easy, because before we have to allocate a personal rep, customer rep, and he has to provide all the information to the clients. But now everything is on paper, everything is on software. Even if someone is working from home, our customer service can be rerouted to the even another country where they can just do the calling thing. And I think that is also a saving on the cost, because all big tech companies, their customers rep, their consultancy is all overseas just to save on few bucks, right? So yeah, this platform is very value adding, definitely. The OnPrintShop is very detailed, very easy to use, very user friendly for the front end as well as for the back end too, because when we are adopting a new platform and you have to give training to your employees, that is also a big challenge. But using this OnPrintShop, I think it was a great experience for me. My sales have almost like 3 times now, and the productivity of my employees is almost, I think, double, more than double. Reason being because before we were just using a paper or I think Excel methods to adopt along with my my online platform, but that wasn't as robust as OnPrintShop. So I definitely recommend it, because even the chance of errors, the chance of mistakes have reduced like 1/3 now.